Hey there! Fidget spinners are so hard to find, we decided to make our own. So get some sculpey or fimo clay, some cookie cutters, and skateboard bearings ready. For our first spinner, we're using some pink sculpey clay. Here's the skateboard bearing that I'll be using. You cannot use the sculpey clay right out of the package. You have to work it and make it soft before using it. The next step is to get some popsicle sticks and measure the width of the bearings. Line up the number of popsicle sticks and place the clay in between and roll it out. This way you know that your spinner will be the same width or almost the same width as your bearing. And now, a little trick is to put some saran wrap over the clay before you cut it. This will give it round edges when you cut it. I will be using a flower first. Push down the cookie cutter. And now lift off the plastic and look how nice and rounded that cutting is. Pull all the saran wrap off. And smooth out any of the edges. Be very gentle. The next step is to find a round cookie cutter that matches the size of the bearing. I have one that's slightly smaller, so I'm going to use it and then cut a little extra off. So I'm doing the same thing, find the center, and do some cutting. And now we put that bearing right in the middle. And I'm going to cut the excess in order to make that center opening just the right size. Now, sculpey clay, it needs to be baked, so I'm going to bake it at 275 degrees for 20 minutes. And as soon as it's done, there's a process called quenching. You put it in ice water. This is believed to make the clay a lot harder and firmer and not so prone to breaking. And here is the fidget spinner, all done. Pretty cool and so easy. Let's follow the same process and make another spinner. This time we're using green in a star shape. Take a look. This one I want to make it glossy, so I will add one extra step, and that is to paint it with Mod Podge. So I will paintbrush some Mod Podge on it and wait until it dries. And when it dries, it's all glossy, just like this. And another cool, unique spinner is done. Take a look. Okay, for the next one, we're also going to follow the same process, except we're going to make it more complicated with the clay. We're going to layer different colors of clay and make one chunk of lined clay. Take a look at the process, a little bit more difficult, but also a lot of fun, and it gives it a cool effect at the end. And that's it, guys. 3 easy spinners made at home. Anyone can do it. We'll be making more of these spinners. Make sure you're subscribed with the notifications on. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time. Make it fun!